Good morning, guys.
I couldn't understand what he was
Welcome back to Last Movie Years.
saying.
Last movie years.
Yeah, I gotta get somebody has his own. Today we're gonna review my brother's 1994 F-150 lifted with rough country suspension. He's gonna tell you more about it. He also has a YouTube channel, Solas Motorport. Check him out. I'll put him in the description. But it's what is it? A 1994 F-150. It's not good lighting here, but I'll get a side shot. What's the lifted? What? How many inches?
6 inch.
6 inch. What are the 33-inch wheels or what?
31.
31.
35 on it.
He needs 35s on it. Rough country suspension. It's pretty nice. He bought it as a project about 6 months ago, and he's been working on it. It's a 4x4. Very nice, old school F-150 feeling with the notorious inline six that will take forever. Here's the walk around, guys. All right, let me start it up, get a cold start for you guys. All right, guys, here comes the cold start. Guys, he hasn't off-roaded it yet, but he's getting it ready to he's got the hubcaps here to lock the front differential. Let me give you an interior review now. This is 1990s interior. Let me get it. We have here the old school Ford steering wheel. Simple gauges. Let me see how many miles it's got. It's got 166,000 miles. Your shifter in the column, 4x4 shifter down in the floor. AC controllers. Single cap, simple. I love the feeling of these trucks, man. Old school Americana. Give it a couple reps. All right, guys, let's check the engine bay now.
Mira, huele nuevo, mira.
Alright, guys, here's the legendary 3.0 liter? 4.9, sorry, 4.9, guys, V6. It's been in
un turbo doble turbo con cabeza integrada. Aquí lo tienen. Ahí está la parte del filtro de aire, que también tiene un filtro de aire con aire por dentro, aire acondicionado. Todo le funciona. Tiene baterías nuevas. Tiene ¿cómo se llama esto? Un problema de herramienta.
radiador.
Un radiador nuevo.
Gracias, gracias. There you go, guys, for my Spanish speaker viewers. My dad reviewing the truck or the engine. All right, guys, so we can see here the dual manifold, or what, two manifolds coming, three cylinders each. And here we have the dual intake system. All right, guys, so there you have it. 1994 F-150 single cap long bed 4x4. Guys, a little bit of history on the project. He got it about 6 months ago, and he's done a couple things like fabrication here on the floor pan. It was all rusted out, so he had to fix it. Gaskets on the engine, new radiator, check the cooling system, and just overall tune-up. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Leave your comments. Tell me if you like this style of reviews. and subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for more, guys. Thanks.